All right, it's early in the season here, about mid-May, and as you can see, our garden is in, but everything is small. And one of the things we like to do is make our own compost tea. And you know, there's a lot of fancy ways. You'll see a lot of things online about bubbling your compost and aerating it. But you know what? We've been using this formula, this simple formula, for many years. So we just start with about a good shovelful or two of compost. You can see that's pretty good finished compost. We'll put it down here in a 5-gallon bucket, kind of mix it up a little bit. This is our compost bin system where we have, probably 6 inches of rain in the last 2 days, so it looks a little wet. That's fine because that's you're gonna add water to it anyway. So we'll put it in there. As you can see, about a third of the way up, we fill it. I'll kind of move it around a little, and then I just simply add the water. And we'll take 5 gallon of water. You can add it with the you want to use distilled water or well water. Water out of a sink that has chlorine in it, not going to be good for your plants. It will eventually leach out, but we like starting fresh. So real simple formula here. You really need a bucket, some water, and some compost, and a stirring stick. So we'll stir this up. We'll stir it pretty good right now, agitate it. What that does is it allows the nutrients in the compost to start releasing into the water to make a really, really potent compost tea. So we'll do that. We'll put this covered. We don't like to sit it out in the rain or anything like that. So we'll keep it out in the garage or in the barn, and we'll do that stirring that you just saw me do several times a day, usually in the morning or in the evening. If we can put one in the middle of the day, we'll do that as well. And after 5 days, we'll simply strain this mixture out. We put it into gallon jugs or into a watering can, and we'll water our plants as if we were watering them just during the normal day. And what that'll do over the course of the next few weeks in the garden, just powers these plants both through the roots and through the foliage. The nutrients are absorbed through both. Like I said, it's a very simple process, not complicated, but wow, does it help your plants. So that's kind of how we make ours. Very simple, but you'll be rewarded with great and healthy plants with a little compost tea every few weeks on your garden plants.